The earthquake I have chosen to study is one of the most famous earthquakes in American history, the Loma Prieta earthquake of 1989. It was a magnitude 6.9 earthquake that was a result of transformed boundaries. The reason this quake stands out above others is that, while they have an average focal depth of 4 to 6 miles, the focal depth of the Bay Area quake was 11 miles. As a result of this disaster, $1.8 billion in damages were sustained, $3.8 billion when adjusted for inflation. This includes 12,000 homes and 2,600 businesses. Unfortunately, 57 people would also lose their lives as a direct result of the quake, with 6 dying of indirect causes. 3,800 were also injured, 400 of which being severe. Quite a few bridges and highways also sustained severe damage in the region. As devastating a disaster as this was, there were little to no legitimate long-term environmental consequences, and the effects were solely regional. Although the drought limited the danger and magnitude of them, landslides near the epicenter occurred in the thousands. Also, aftershocks of the quake were felt sporadically until 1991, 2 years after the initial disaster. Water level fluctuation in rivers near the epicenter was also noted. This earthquake actually occurred during Game 3 of the 1989 World Series in San Francisco, and was noted by commentators until the broadcast cut out. Luckily, Candlestick Park previously implemented a seismic strengthening project on the upper deck, which likely saved many people from severe injury or worse. As a direct result of this event, San Francisco government officials came to the conclusion that several of the bridges they frequent required major repair or replacement for long-term safety or viability.